Hey everybody, this is Joel, your photo troll, and I thought I'd make a little video about travel photography compromises that I made. So around Thanksgiving, I went to Mazatlan, Mexico, and instead of taking my 70 to 300 VR like I would always take, I took this little 55 to 200 VR, and it's just, smaller and lighter and everything. But this thing just focuses better and just does everything better. And then instead of using my 18 to 70 AFS lens that I usually use, this thing is pretty stout, weighs almost as much as the 70 to 300 actually. Instead of that, I took this little 18 to 55 kit lens that doesn't weigh anything. And I guess long story short is I don't really regret using the 18 to 55. It worked pretty well. It's not as snappy as the AFS lens, but it's really good enough, and it just doesn't weigh anything. But where I paid the price was on this 55 to 200. So right when I get there, the first thing I see is this vulture flying by, and just not quite sharp, Pretty good, it's a decent picture, but when you get really close to his head, it's just not quite sharp enough. And I had a bunch of these like this to where it's just pretty good, but not quite, I want razor sharpness, and I just am not getting it. And, so then I switched over to that 18 to 55, and I started getting shots like this, These are all with the 18 to 55. And, get in focus, you bastard. But anyway, I think they're pretty good, I wasn't having any problem with dealing with the 18 to 55. It seemed like it did the job for me. I guess I can't get that in focus any better than that. Oh well. But anyway, so the 18 to 55 really came through for me. I thought didn't really have any problem with any of the pictures I was getting. But the 70 to 200 was just kind of disappointing. I ended up using the 18 to 55 almost all the time, just because the 70 to 200 just was too slow to react. But I did get a couple of really nice sunsets with the 55 to 200. These aren't them. Here they are. Okay. You can tell it's very nice, Got this sailboat way out on the ocean and all. So, I mean, okay. I kind of like that one. That's not bad, huh? But I just knew in my heart that if I had my 70 to 300, I would be getting even better pictures, you know what I mean? So I guess the moral of the story is I tried to cut corners on my equipment so I didn't have to carry so much, and it really worked out with the 18 to 55. It's like totally usable. I didn't have any problem with it, but this 55 to 200 just didn't cut it for wildlife, moving subjects, for telephoto landscapes and stuff. Beautiful. So sharp, so nice, and slow moving subjects, no problem. But birds, even slow-moving birds in flight, I need my 70 to 300. I would have got such great pictures. I just stopped even attempting birds in flight because I knew I wasn't going to get them. So anyway, this is Joel, your photo troll. I'll see you down the river. Bye-bye.